Canada announces they are going to lift the cruise ban. And how about a cruise that costs $74,000 to go on? We're going to go over all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Now, before we get started, I just have a little FYI information here. If you are needing to get a U.S. passport, just know that right now, the State Department has a massive backlog of passport applications, and they are currently estimating that the wait time is 6 months to get that passport. So if you know that you're going to need one here anytime soon, definitely get that application in right away, because like I said, you're looking at almost 6 months before you could possibly get that. Now, yesterday, the Carnival Breeze set sail from the port of Galveston. Now, that is Carnival's third ship to resume sailing. We already know the Carnival Vista and the Carnival Horizon have already done their initial sailings, and now they are joined by the Carnival Breeze, which sailed out of Galveston yesterday on a 4-night cruise. And the Carnival Miracle will soon join them once she begins her sailings from Seattle to Alaska. Canada announced today that they are going to lift the cruise ban starting on November 1st. Now, this is, of course, after the Alaska season will have finished up, so this will be for cruising to resume in 2022. In a statement from the Minister of Transport, he said, "As Canadians have done their part to reduce the spread of COVID-19, our government continues to work hard to safely restart our economy and build back better. We will welcome cruise ships, an important part of our tourism sector, back in Canadian waters for the 2022 season." Now, the Canadian cruise ban was scheduled to go till February of 2022. They're simply backing it up a few months, but the ban will remain into effect for the remainder of this Alaskan 2021 season, and we won't see any changes until 2022. So I'm not 100% sure what the 3-month difference really makes, other than a symbolic gesture to say, hey, we're back into it. We don't want to miss out any more of the cruise ship tourism. We want you guys coming back to Canada. So we announce it early and get everybody excited for next year. So a $74,000 cruise. That is a lot of money for a cruise, but it's a very large cruise. So Regent Seven Seas has a 132-day world cruise coming up in 2024. So your veranda balcony room, the prices for that start at $73,499 per person, all the way up to pretty much $200,000. It's $199,999. We're just going to call it $200,000 for a master suite. Now, for any of y'all that are like me, I'm not looking to book a $73,000 per person cruise. While it sounds absolutely spectacular and wonderful to be on a cruise ship that long and to visit all of the places they're going to go, that is still a lot of money. But what is really unique and really special about this is this cruise ship sold out in 2.5 hours. So for anybody out there that says cruising is dying, cruising's not coming back, cruising can't survive the pandemic, yet we have a $74,000 starting price cruise that sold out in 2.5 hours, I say there is all the proof in the world you need that cruising is back and it is here to stay. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor. Let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.